Hey guys, welcome. This is Deepika from mytutorialrack.com, and in this tutorial we are going to test our flow that we created in the last video. So first thing is, before you do anything, I would want you to re-authenticate yourself. So in order to do this, first thing is you have to log into your client application, which is this is your client application. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this and hit the login here. And over here, we will go to named credential. Okay, this is not something that you have to do it, but make sure just to prevent any errors. So we're going to go ahead and go over to external credentials and employee app source ID. And under the principals, you have something called as authenticate. And when you are authenticating, you have to provide the username of your external application. A lot of times, people, what they do is they have these username passwords saved and they just do login and they end up logging to their own site. You don't want that. You basically want the logging to your external application. You have to check your username password. So here we are going to use this username, which is our external application's username, and hit the login. I do not have anything that I need to allow permissions, but if you have changed the scope in your connected app, wait for a few minutes and then re-authenticate yourself and make